Hello traders, yoo-hoo! Welcome to my channel, it's Rocket Trading. In this channel you will learn about money management, how to trade with the trend and other amazing stuff. So today we will talk about Forex. Yes, Forex, I want to continue the video on Forex. So today topic is about what is leverages. I will show you more examples to make you beginners to understand this. This is very important. That's why most beginners lose money on Forex. In this video, Leverager will help you to make more profits and reduce your losses. Leverages means that let me show you an example first to make you understand. For example, if you have $1,000 in your account, in your trading account, okay, $1,000, and for example let's say forget about the $1,000. I want to make it simple for you guys to understand. So let's see, for example, let's say that this house, okay, which is not beautiful, but let's assume it is a house. So let's pretend that this house cost $100,000, okay, $100,000, and in order to buy this house you need let me show you, you need 20% down payment. So in order to buy this house you need 20% of down payment. Okay, you go to the bank, which is $20,000. So you go to the bank and you say that I want to get this property, I want to get this house. So we are going to take the $20,000, and the bank said we are going to take your money, which is the $20,000, and we will give you $100,000 in order to get this property. Okay, so you can hold it as long as you want. You don't have to make any payment on this. Okay, if you sell this house, if you sell, you still owe us $100,000, which means that if the market crash, the property crash, you owe us $100,000. Let's assume that in the 12 months, let's assume that in the 12 months the housing market drop by 20%. The housing market dropped by 20%. No, let's make it simple. It dropped by 50%. So the initial value was 100,000. But what happened to his value is that it reduced by 50%. So the value have dropped by 50%. Now the house has become 50%. But what happened? So the person sell it at a loss of $50,000. Okay, and it sell it at a loss of $50,000, but it still owns the bank 100,000. So the person make a loss of $50,000. Okay, so leverages, you can lose more than your deposit. Okay, if the benefits of leverages is that the advantage is that if the value increase by 50%, which is $150, you will make easily $50 with this. So let's make it to trading. For example, if you have, okay, let's make it simple. Okay, I will explain it again. If the initial value is $100,000, and you go to the bank, it says that you need 50% of your down payment, which is $20,000. So they will give you the house at $100,000, but you need a down payment which is $20,000. So they say that you can keep the property. If you want to sell it, you still owe us $100,000. Okay, so let's assume that in the 12th month it crashed by 50%. This is 50%. So the housing market crashed by 50%. So what will happen if that the initial payment, which is $100,000, it now becomes, the value have decreased, it now become a $50,000. This is very simple to understand. So it becomes $50,000. It dropped by 50%. So what has happened is that you make a loss. You make a loss of $50,000. So what will happen if the value increased by 50%, the value now become $150. So what will happen is that you will make a profit of $50,000. Yes. So let's jump again with more example. I'm helping you guys. So what is leverages is that it is where the broker borrow you funds, borrow money. Okay, to make it simple, it borrow you money. So it borrow you money, and you can use this money to trade to increase your profit. But leverages can also increase your loss. I have told you this. To use leverages in trading, the trader need to invest a percentage of the whole position. For example, $1,000. Let me show you something here. I will open a new one to make it simple. For example, let's assume that you have $1,000 in your trading account, and there are 4 types of leverages. You have 110, 20, 50, and you have 100. So what has happened is that your buying power would be 10k, 20k, 50k, simple, and 100k. So you need to take this into consideration. So with one you have 10k, 20k, 50k, 100k. So what will happen is that you will have the whole percentage of whole balance. This can change depending on how much the leverages offer. Many brokers offer different leverages. How much the leverages the trader would like to trade to implement. Okay, let's assume that you are placing $50 in your trading account and you have lost 400.1 leverages. This multiply your trading by 400 times. You do 405 multiplied by 50, you have $20 worth buying power. So you can trade, your buying power is $2,000, so you can take trades on $2,000. So there are also something about margin call. So margin call refers to in order to employ leverage, a trader must have a sufficient fund in his account to cover the loss. So margin call refers at the loss that it need to cover. For example, if you take a trade and the trade have not gone in your direction, and you have increased your bet size, and there is a loss, the broker need to have a percentage of the loss which will be taken into your account to recover the loss. So this is where the trader possess an equity of 50%. So it is where the 50% will remain separate of your account. It is where you lost, and the 50% will be used to cover the loss. Going back to the example, if your position value is 13,270 for both MetaTrader, this is an account. So with leverages, a trader invests 663.5 of his capital. So if he has a 50% of huge margin call, for example 351.75, his position will kept open. Yeah, This is where